Hey guys, Claire here, and today I'm going to show you how to make two of my favorite things in one recipe, which is pecan pie brownies. So this is kind of inspired by Derby bars. I don't know if you've ever had Derby bars, but it's basically pecan pie with chocolate in it, so it's very good. So what I have here is a lot. I know it looks a little overwhelming, but it honestly isn't. I'm just making a batch of brownies, and then I'm making a pecan pie and literally putting a pecan pie on top of brownies. So we're gonna get started with the brownies first. So what I have for the brownies here is a cup of brown sugar, a cup of white sugar, 3.5 ounces of chocolate, 8 ounces of butter melted, a cup of flour, 4 eggs, a little bit of vanilla, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Use a really good one. I know that sounds like Ina Garten, but like use one that tastes good because it's a big part of the flavor here. A cup of chocolate chips, and then my secret ingredient is a little bit of espresso, about a 1/4 cup of espresso. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually get started with melting the chocolate. So I have a double boiler over here. So this is a very gentle way of melting it. While the chocolate melts, I'm gonna get started on the pecan pie. So this is my favorite pecan pie recipe. It's actually a sweet laurel recipe. So if you wanna find the full recipe for this, you can check out our sweet laurel cookbook. So it's also grain-free, refined sugar-free, and dairy-free. The brownies most certainly are not, so this is kind of like a combination. So what I have here is 3/4 of a cup of date paste. And so the date paste is really the base of it. The other ingredients I have going into it are a cup of maple syrup, 4 cups of pecans, 3 eggs, quite a bit of vanilla, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, though in this case, since you're already using butter and stuff, you could also do melted butter if you wanted, and then a little bit of salt as well. So what I'm gonna do here is combine the date paste with the maple syrup and eggs to get a nice, really even texture before I add everything else. Ooh, the chocolate's nice and melty. Okay, so I'm going to add the butter, the vanilla, coffee, and then the cocoa powder. So next I'm going to whisk together the eggs and sugar. And so now I'm gonna add the flour to my melted chocolate. I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. And then I'm going to add the eggs and sugar. Final touch for the brownies is 1 cup of chocolate chips going in. So I have my brownie pan. It's lined with a little bit of parchment, and then I also grease the sides. I'm going to pour in the brownies first and then the pecan pie on top. So now I'm gonna bake these for about 45 minutes in a 350-degree oven until they are moist and perfect, and oh, I cannot wait to try these. All right, let's dig into this. Oh my gosh, it's so chewy and dense. Wow, look at that. I don't even know what you would describe this as, but it is some kind of like Franken dessert that is so good. It's this amazing marriage of the two where it has the density and chewiness of the interior of a pecan pie, but the flavor of a brownie, and the pecans add this really great crunch. This is really good and really unexpected. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make my pecan pie brownies. They are so good. Please comment below if you try them. I would love to hear from you. Like the video if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.